Nature serves us in an uncountable way, and it is our responsibility to preserve it. We should appreciate the beauty of nature and take an active step of planting more and more trees. Is there anything more important than nature? I don't think so. Nature is a peaceful gift from God to humanity, and today I'm here to talk to you a little about it. Hi, my name is Aarthik Thakur. I'm from Ivy International School, Shimla. Nature provides us vital supports for our life as we inhabit and build our house in the earth nature surface. We rely on earth for the fresh air we breathe and water we drink. Our food also came from nature. Nature blesses us with the air, fruit, vegetable for our excellent health. If there will be no planting trees surrounding us, human exhibition will be impossible. Nature provides us much more than its essential. It plays a sufficient role in our life to maintain our well-being and cure us from the various diseases. Many elements in the nature have been necessary in our day-to-day life. We should appreciate the beauty of nature as it allows us to witness the rare species which exist in this world. Nature serves us in an uncountable way, and it is our responsibility to preserve it. We must refrain polluting from the environment and take an active step of planting more and more trees by avoiding the misuses of water and fuel and other resources. We can contribute a healthier environment, and it is important to do not exploit nature in any form. While nature has provided us abundant resources, this is our responsibility to preserve everything it offers, so that the coming generation would enjoy their life similar to us. Let us mindful our actions and be responsible. Nature is a reflection of God kindness and a source of inspiration. Let us cherish and protect it. Hope you have learned something new. Bye bye.